Hi, guys! Want to attract more financial planning clients without spending hours chasing leads? In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple financial consultation funnel in System.io that helps you collect leads and book more consultations. Step 1. Log into your System.io account and click Funnels. Click Create, name your funnel Financial Consultation Funnel. Choose Build an Audience and click Create. This type of funnel is designed to capture contact information from people interested in financial guidance. Step 2. Open your opt-in page and click Edit Page. Choose a professional landing page template. Replace the default headline with a compelling offer, such as Book your free financial consultation or Download my free retirement planning checklist. Add a short description explaining who the consultation is for and the value visitors will receive. Step 3. Customize your landing page by adding your professional photo, a brief introduction about your experience, 3 to 5 benefits of your consultation, client testimonials if you have permission to share them, an opt-in form requesting the visitor's name, email address, and phone number, a clear call to action button, such as book my free consultation or schedule my session. Keep the page simple and focused on encouraging visitors to take the next step. Step 4. Create a thank you page. Thank visitors for requesting a consultation and explain what happens next. If you use a scheduling tool, add a button that lets visitors choose a convenient meeting time. If your email system is configured, you can also send an automated confirmation email with appointment details or helpful resources. Step 5. Preview your funnel and test every step. Submit the form yourself, check that the thank you page loads correctly, and confirm that all buttons and booking links work as expected. And that's it.